Hello everyone. Welcome to the course Python Programming for Every Beginners. In this video, we will discuss about iterative statements, also called as repetition control statements or simply called as loops. So first, here we will discuss about while loop. Let us come to the outline. First, we will see what are iterative statements. Then what are the types of iterative statements? Then we will discuss about the first type, which is called as while loop, followed by example programs in Python. Let us move to the introduction. The use of iterative statements or repetition control statements or simply loops. These statements help us to repeat a set of statements in a program. There are two types of iterative statements. The first one is called as while loop. The second one is called as for loop. In Python, there is no do while loop like other programming languages allowed. Only we are having while loop. Then let us see what is while loop. So while loop is mainly used to execute the instructions repeatedly as long as the condition is true. So in the while loop body of the loop, whatever the statements we have given, all those statements can be executed repeatedly till the condition returns true. So while loop consisting of two forms. First one is only while with the true condition. Then if you want else part also, like if then else, there is another combination of while with else, that is called as while else. Let us see the syntaxes of these two followed by example programs. First, let us see the syntax of while loop. So while is the keyword followed by condition colon. Then you can give the list of executable statements, statement 1, statement 2, and so on, n statements you can provide. Here, while is a keyword. Then what is condition? Condition is a relational expression, same as if then else, whatever we discussed in our previous lectures. So this condition, what it returns, either true or false. Now the symbol colon, what it denotes, the beginning of the while loop. Now here statement 1, 2, and so on, n are part of body of the while loop. This is the syntax of while loop. Similarly, let us see the syntax of while else statement. So the first part is same as while only. Here, bottom we can add else part also, followed by some set of statements which can be executed in the else block. First, while condition, then followed by statement 1, statement 2, and so on, n statements. For example, here two statements are considered in the while condition. Then in the else part, the indentation should be the same wherever the else is started. Here, the same line actually. Else colon. Now the statements you can give with the different names, not same as previous statements. For example, here statement 3, statement 4 we have taken. Here while and else are keywords. Then the body of while loop is executed until the condition returns true. Whenever the while condition returns false, that means the condition fails, it comes to the else part. Then what are the statements in the else part? Those are all executed. This is the syntax of while else. Now, what is usage of while loop? So mainly while loop can be used in the following three situations. The first one, it repeats execution of set of statements till the condition returns true. The second situation repeats set of statements with a finite number of times, with limited times, not infinite. Then iterate through using a special container type data types like string, list, and tuple types. So using these also, we can iterate using while loop. These are all usages of while loop. Now let us see some example programs. There's the simple program. This program, what it prints. So write a program to print 1 to 10 numbers. So here first you can declare one variable with the initialization value. If you want to start with 0 or 1, whatever, you can give the value. Then here you can see while. The condition is here I less than or equal to 10 is the condition colon. then print I, the value of 5. Then you are incrementing this value. Why? Because this loop is repeated till the condition returns true. Whenever the condition returns false, then the loop is terminated or ended. Now the increment value is +1. So I equal to I +1. So whenever you can run this program, so first it takes I value 1, 1 less than or equal to 10, 1 less than 10, true. First it returns 1. Then it is incremented by 1, 1 plus 1, 2. Then 2 less than 10, condition true. So it prints true. Print of I means 2. And so on. For example, I equal to 9. Now, so here I equal to 9 plus 1, 10. Now 10 equal to 10, condition true, so it prints 10. For example, I equal to 10, you can take, now I equal to I plus 1, 10 plus 1, 11. Now 11 less than or equal to 10, it is false actually. This condition is not satisfied. It returns false. Then actually, if you are having else spot, then else spot statement will be executed. But here no else spot. So the loop is ended or terminated. Then it prints only up to 1 to 10 only. This is the output of this program. So let us see the demonstration lively. So here you can see, you can run this program. The same program, whatever we explained, here you can see. This is the output you will get here. So we have taken I is 1, then the condition till less than or equal to 10. So it prints up to 10 only. So this is the printing 1 to 10 numbers. Similarly, let us see other programs also. So another program to print odd numbers between some range, for example, 1 to 10. This is the program here. So now let us see this program, same as previous one. Here only the increment value, previously it is 1, now we have given it as 2. So whatever the value of I, if that is added with 2, compulsory, what you will get? Odd number only. For example, I equal to 1, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2, 3. So then next one, 3 plus 2, 5. Then 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 2, 11, and so on, like that. So whenever you can run this program, what you will get? First I value is 1. 1 less than 10, so it returns true. So print of I means 1. Then 1 plus 2. Now 3 next time. 3 less than 10. Next time, condition true. So print of I means 3. And so on. For example, if you can take I as 2. I as 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 less than 10, true. So print of I means 9. Next value, 9 plus 2, 11. But 11 not less than or equal to 10. Condition false. So it terminates. So it prints 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 only in between the range as odd number combinations. Let us see the output here. So whenever you can run this program, see what we are getting the output here. So first 1 value, then 3, then 5, then 7, then 9 value, odd number. Same program if you can repeat for even numbers. For even numbers, what you have to do, you can change the increment value. That is the only difference. Here you can see. So I equal to 2, then printing even numbers between the range, while I less than or equal to 10, colon print of I equal to I plus 2. Same as odd number combination, but the increment value 2 is given here. I mean initial value 2. So whenever you can take initial value 2, what you will get? 2 plus 2, 4. Then 4 plus 2, 6. Then 6 plus 2, 8. Then 8 plus 2, 10, and so on. What it prints? First I equal to 2. So 2 less than 10, it prints 2. Then 2 plus 2, 4. 4 less than 10, it returns 4. Then 4 plus 2, 6. 6 less than 10, it returns 6. Then 6 plus 2, 8. 8 less than 10, it returns true. That means it prints 8. Then 8 plus 2, 10. 10 equal to 10. So condition is true, it prints 10. Then 10 plus 2, 12. 12 less than 10, condition false. Then the loop terminates or ended. Let us see the output here. Here you can see. So printing the even numbers between 1 to 10. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 is the output. So this is the usage of while loop live demonstration in Python 3.10.1 version. Okay, now coming to next one, while else. Let us see the programs related to while else. So same as while loop only, but else block needs to be added. So what are the programs we explained? Same programs are shown here. So this is the program printing odd numbers. Next program what we demonstrated, that is printing even numbers. Write a program to print even numbers. Whatever the range in the while condition, in between the condition, the corresponding even numbers or odd numbers are printed. Now let us see the next program related to while else. So same printing 1 to 5 numbers using while else. The first part same as our first program what we demonstrated using while, same, but bottom we can add one more part, that is the else part, else colon. Then whatever the information you can print here, that will be displayed whenever while condition returns false. So in this program, whenever you can run this program, what you will get here? First, for our understanding purpose, the headings are given. Print while else demo, then printing 1 to 5 numbers, whatever the range we have given. While the condition is I less than or equal to 5 colon, then print I, then increment value I equal to I plus 1. The same start with I equal to 1. Now 1 less than 5, it returns true. So the output is 1. Then 1 plus 1, 2. 2 less than 5, true. So it returns true. I mean 2. Then 2 plus 1, 3. 3 also less than 5, it prints 3. Then 3 plus 1, 4. 4 less than 5, it also true, it prints 4. Then 4 plus 1, 5. 5 equal to 5. So then it also prints 5. Then 5 plus 1, 6. But here you can see 6 less than 5. This condition is false actually. So it returns false now. Then it comes to the else part. Then these statements are executed. In else block, the value of I. What is I value now? Here 6 is printed here. Print of I means 6 is shown here in the else part. So 1 to 5 will be printed in while condition. Then 6 value is printed in else block. For our understanding purpose, we have given the messages. Now let us see the output, what we will get after running this program. First in the while part, 1 to 5 it prints. Then the latter part, if I equal to 6, here you can see. In else block, the value of I. In our program, we have written this one. What is I now? 6. Print of I means 6. Now let us see this program also lively. Demonstration of while else. Let us see. Here you can see whatever we explained till now. Here you can see this is the while else demo. So printing 1 to 5 numbers. Here you can see in the program print while else, the first line, then second line printing 1 to 5 numbers. That means up to 5 will be printed from the while condition. Whenever I equal to 6, then it comes to this part. Why? Because the else part statements are executed. Here you can see. In else block, the value of I is 6, then print of I means 6. So like this, while else will be used. Okay, and next lecture we will come up with next loop, that is for loop. Till then, all of you practice all this. All of you a very happy learning.